Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use LaTeX typesetting in Notion. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you want to take notes that involve some sort of mathematics and would like to use LaTeX typesetting in Notion to make the process easier, so I'll be showing you how to do that today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to go into my Notion app on my iPad. And now I'm going to type a / and start typing equation, and as you can see, one of the options that shows up is block equation, and if I tap on that, then I can start adding a text equation or a LaTeX equation. So I can basically use LaTeX typesetting to do this. So let's give it a try. As you can see, I've typed up some stuff using LaTeX typesetting and it will translate it into actual math the way LaTeX does. So yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to use LaTeX typesetting in Notion, then this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.